RC VHX 22, and today I got stickers from BlackSmith RC. Thank you very much for sending me your letter and your stickers. Also, I'll let you show you. I put your sticker here on the channel board so you can see. And also, so you can see here the letter and the other sticker they are going to give to my son. On the letter they say, hey bro, thanks for your support over the years of my YouTube channel. Your view, comments and brotherhoodship of RC community inspires me to continue. So thank you very much for your great letter. I appreciate that very much. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe and don't forget the bell. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, and also you can find down below the link to the channel of BlackSmith RC, excuse me, for his to give him support on his channel also. And see you soon. Bye bye, peace.